Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add bass in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums and playlists. And at the top of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add bass in Bandlab. So first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device and click create button or the plus button in the top right corner, or go to library and click it here on the new. After that, click the add track button and select guitar or bass from the pop-up menu. Choose a bass sound from the Bandlab's built-in instruments or import your own bass samples. Use the virtual keyboard or drum pad to play your bass line or record live if you have a physical bass guitar connected to the audio interface. Use the editor to trim, quantize, adjust notes to make them sync with your beat. Then use Bandlab's effect like EQ, compression, and reverb to shape the sound of your bass. Use the mixer panel to balance the volume of your bass with the other track in your project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.